Why don't you go to 𝗭𝗏𝒃 cell phone and laptop repair? They are the answer for all your cell phone and laptop that needs repair. They have separate cell phone and laptop repair area inside the store. They also sell different accessories to provide your necessities. 𝗭𝗏𝒃 cell phone and laptop repair is managed by the approachable proprietor Mr. 𝗏𝒃𝒃, and they are located at Lunette Arcade Rizal Street, Surigao City. So, for all your cell phone and laptop repair, visit 𝗭𝗏𝒃 cell phone and laptop repair now.